tips from a business owner and an attorney. Oh, just happens to be a business attorney. So it'll never cease to amaze me the amount of information that is asked by our clients that has absolutely nothing to do with me being a lawyer and just a business owner, but I'm happy to share. So recently had a very, I thought, incredible conversation, lengthy conversation with a lovely lady that helps business owners in many, many different ways. And she was very interested to learn about how we automate and how we utilize technology. And, one of the things I was, pretty proud to say is that in my tiny little law firm, there's only just a few of us, and, the amount of work product that we can pump out is quite impressive by, I think any means, but at least by my counting. And when I worked for the global law firm, I think right now I probably have at least 10 times more software that I utilize on a daily basis as compared to that big law firm. And quite frankly, I think that's not a mistake. And the old model of the big law firms will always be there, billing by the hour and not necessarily constantly pounding the streets to be more efficient, do things better, do things cheaper, do things more efficient, and things like that. And that's what we constantly strive for here. So as I got pretty deep into the conversation with the client, it was quite amazing that even running her own business, some simple solutions that I didn't necessarily realize were not widely known. As I figure, law firms are not necessarily on the forefront of technology and, being on the cutting edge of technology as far as businesses go. I don't generally consider myself to be on the forefront of technology, but it was quite interesting to me, this young lady that I think by all accounts is quite successful and runs a successful business, was very interested to hear, how we do things and different document automation and online systems for intake forms and task management and CRM and all things that I think are pretty, basic for a business. But again, we've been working at this for quite some time and certainly didn't learn it all right the first way or the first time. So I was happy to share that information, and I'm happy to do that with all of my clients. What's most important as you are a professional service provider, to any business owner, to interacting with any type of client, take away, business law, take away, working with my specific niche of client, it's always important that you become that trusted, partner in what they are doing. And that's what we always are looking to do, and that's what we always strive for in our clients' lives. And it's important that we all work together and learn together. And there are often times where I will tap the knowledge base of my clients for information. I have tech businesses, I have restaurant businesses, I have management businesses, I have other law firms as clients, other professionals like CPAs and real estate brokers and all sorts of different, just about every different type of business that you can think of, manufacturing. And if you don't think that you can learn something from another business owner, and I think that's where a lot of law firms get very jaded, because they believe that, we're just different. We just do things different. In professional services, we don't have sales and we don't need these CRM platforms. Well, you might call it different things, but for sure you run a business, and a business model is a business model, and you might be better at it than others, and you might strive for efficiencies where others may not. But I'm here to tell you, if you don't learn from your peers, and especially the people that you're close with, I don't think you're improving your business. You're most likely going to remain stagnant. Now listen, that might be great for you, but for me and for our law firm and for our sister company, Fortress Asset Protection, we're always looking for ways to improve, certainly add to the client's experience. Customer service is a very real thing for us, and making sure that we're interacting in the right way with clients and spending time on what matters. And that means interacting with clients versus, spending an extra few hours typing out a document, when for sure technology can handle that for us, as long as an attorney has approved that form and is comfortable with the legalities of what's contained in there. We can certainly utilize technologies to its best. So as we learn together and as we do business together, we're on this journey together, everyone. Thanks for listening.